Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. The Hindu editorial dictation 100 word per minute. First article heading Reapping the Wayland. और सेकंड आर्टिकल आपका हिस्टोरिक रिसेशन. ये फर्स्ट आर्टिकल आपका 100 वर्ड पर मिनट्स होगा और सेकंड आर्टिकल आपका 80 वर्ड पर मिनट्स होगा. ओके, बी रेडी, स्टार्ट. Farmers of India have felt exploited for long. The reforms that the center brought in apparently to make the agriculture sector more efficient and lucrative in the form of 3 ordinances in June have had the effect of upsetting large sections of them further. Parliament passed them into acts in September. More than 500 farmers' unions are now on a path of agitation. Thousands of farmers from the neighboring states stopped by the police on their way to Delhi are campaigning at several points around the national capital. They have refused to move to a designated site, a condition set by the Center for Talks. The Center has aggregated its original mistake of rushing through these laws without wide consultation and political consensus by taking a condescending attitude towards critics. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said on Sunday that farmers stood to benefit from the new measures, and this may well be true. The trouble is that most farmers are not convinced by the assurances and fear that their precarity will increase as a result of the changes. Farmer leaders have pointed out that the center has refused to address their specific concerns regarding the new laws, which they are concerned will render them helpless in the face of exploitative market force. At the heart of the fears is the potential end of the MSP and guaranteed government procurement of the produce. The new legal architecture allows farmers more choices in selling their produce in theory and creates a national market for their produce. The end of a monopoly market could theoretically lead to more efficiency, but procurement at MSP has been the backbone of India's food security edifice. If the new laws to a dismantling of the MSP and the Mandi system, the farmers fear that they will have little leeway in contracts with private buyers. There are loopholes in the existing system and the case for reforms is strong, but railroading a raft of measures cannot be way forward. If the center is open to legislating a guarantee of procurement at MSP, farmers could be convinced to accept the new laws. Agitating farmers are also pressing for the withdrawal of the proposed Electricity Amendment Bill 2020, fearing it will end subsidized electricity. While market factors must be taken into consideration for country's agriculture sector must find an equilibrium of the interest of the producers and consumers and account for uneven environmental factors across different regions. The apprehension of the farmers are not unfounded. Full stop. The onus is on the government to win their confidence. It must unconditionally reach out to the farmers and empathetically listen to them and not precipitate a crisis by high handedness. Full stop.